See, I have conducted serious trial against many dreaded criminals, including gangsters, including organized criminals, including terrorist people. Like Abu Salim, I must tell you the name. I used to interact with him. He committed a murder of one here, a builder, Pradeep Jain, and he was staying in Dubai, and he was a very close associate with one gang. And when he came here, I conducted trial against him for the charge of murder, and he has been convicted for life imprisonment.
उज्ज्वल निकम
विशेष सरकारी वकील उज्ज्वल निकम
is a well-known name in the legal circle. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 2016. He has been associated with many high-profile cases, including 1993 Bombay bombings, the Gulshan Kumar murder case, and was the public prosecutor in the Mumbai 26/11 terror attacks.
और उसका चेहरा था अजमल कसाब, जिसको आपने फांसी दिलवाई थी।
As you mentioned, you've dealt with the most evil minds in the society. Ajmal Kasab ho gaya, Chota Rajan, Abu Salim. I wanna delve into 2008, 26/11 sir, where Mumbai got into a war zone. ये शुरू कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ उस दिन, और आप कैसे इसमें involved हुए?
Hotel Oberoi incident is separate. Taj incident is separate. Nariman House is separate. Ajmal Kasab, so far as he was involved in CST station, he was told, do and die. That was the message. और मैंने कोर्ट में भी कहा था कि is a killing machine. When I stood as a BJP candidate, the opposition political party said they were murdered by one RSS inspector.
ये किसने कहा सर? कसाब ने कहा?
ये कसम ने नहीं कहा, ये एक कांग्रेस पार्टी का पॉलिटिकल लीडर है।
Who trains them sir? कौन सिखाता है? ये सारी छोटी
ये तो
है।
इनके आका सिखाते हैं ना।
कौन है सर आका?
ये इनके आका जो भी
पाकिस्तानी आर्मी?
पाकिस्तानी आर्मी IS है, वो तो मैंने एस्टेब्लिश कर दिया। डेविड हेडली की गवाही ली थी। आगे तो सुनो उसने क्या कहा।
I want to talk about this one incident, sir. Renuka Shinde and Seema Gawit.
The बाल हत्याकांड।
Ji, is a bit extreme. Judiciary nepotism. Can you tell us a little bit about that, sir?
Now, recently I have been appointed by the President of India as a member of Rajya Sabha. Seriously, I will consider this aspect also. You see, ultimately, our present Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Mr. Gavaiji, has said कि